Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a big update on a major legal battle you might not have heard much about. A federal judge has just blocked the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, from accessing sensitive personal data at the Social Security Administration. So let's break this down. This decision came from U.S. District Judge Ellen Hollander, who issued a preliminary injunction. Basically, that means she's putting a temporary stop to DOGE's data access while the lawsuit continues. The lawsuit itself was filed by a group of unions and retirees in Maryland, and it's just one of many suits challenging DOGE's data practices. Judge Hollander's 148-page memorandum is pretty clear on one thing. It's not about what DOGE wants to achieve, but how they're going about it. The Social Security Administration has a long history, 90 years to be exact, of protecting data privacy. Judge Hollander questioned why DOGE needs what she called unprecedented, unfettered access to such sensitive information. She also highlighted the potential for irreparable harm to individuals if DOGE were allowed to continue their current practices. So what exactly are the new restrictions? First, DOGE staffers can't access databases that have personally identifiable information. They have to purge any non-anonymized data they've gotten since January 20th, 2025. Also, they need to remove any software they installed on SSA systems and are barred from altering Social Security code. However, non-DOGE SSA staff and DOGE members who use anonymized data with proper training are exempt from these restrictions. Now, this isn't the first time DOGE has faced legal challenges. Just last month, on March 20th, there was a temporary restraining order against DOGE, which the Trump administration tried and failed to lift on April 1st. The Social Security Administration itself has been in turmoil since President Trump's second term began. Acting Commissioner Michelle King resigned in February after refusing DOGE data access, and her replacement, Leland Dudek, is also facing calls to resign. The public and political reaction has been intense. Democrats are demanding an investigation by the SSA's Inspector General, and there have been public protests against DOGE's data practices. Concerns about data misuse are widespread, with some fearing that DOGE could use this information to promote voter fraud narratives or other dubious claims. DOGE argues that data anonymization is burdensome and that their access isn't much different from what SSA employees and auditors already have. But the plaintiffs, represented by attorney Alethea Ann Swift of Democracy Forward, argue that DOGE's access itself is a privacy violation. They're particularly worried about the handling of sensitive information like medical and mental health records. This case is far from over. Judge Hollander's injunction could be appealed to the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which has previously sided with the Trump administration. So we'll be keeping an eye on how this all unfolds. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.